Ayo.
Want to look at your Roborock S5 and wondered if it's secretly trying to do the moonwalk? 1 minute it's cleaning, the next it's spinning in circles. Here's a fun fact most owners don't realize. Your Roborock is basically a tiny car. And just like a car, it has tires. Over time, the rubber tread on the S5 wheels wears down until they're as smooth as a bowling ball. When your robot vacuum loses its grip, it loses its brain. It can't climb rugs, it slips on tiles, and it ends up getting lost in its own home. It's not a software glitch, it's just a lack of traction. Now, you might see some hacks online. You could try to buy a rubber strip online and DIY it. Wait first. To get to the wheels on an S5, you have to bypass the drop sensors, the delicate mainboard cables, and the entire drivetrain housing. It's like heart surgery for robots. One wrong tug on a ribbon cable or one misplaced screw and your cheap fix suddenly becomes an expensive nightmare. Why stress over a maybe fix when you can have a guaranteed fix? That's where RoboCare comes in. At RoboCare, we don't just slap on some rubber. We perform a full diagnostic. Sometimes movement issues aren't just the tires. It could be a failing gear or hair-clogged axle that you can't even see. When you send your Roborock S5 to us, we ensure the fit is factory perfect. We use genuine rubber that restores that out-of-the-box grip. You get peace of mind knowing that professionals are handling the delicate internals of your favorite cleaning companion. Look at that! From sliding and gliding back to seeking and destroying dust. Our customers are always amazed at how a professional wheel service makes their Roborock S5 feel brand new again. It's faster, quieter, and most importantly, it actually finishes the job. Don't let your Roborock live its life in circles. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.